You can tell everybody what you think, honestly.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, say the truth.
Oh my, the smell is amazing. It's all presented well.
I think if I lived here, which I wish I did because it's so beautiful, I think I might be going there.
On a daily basis.
I think I'd be tempted. Hello and welcome back to Filey Beach.
Food reviews.
I'm Kaz.
I'm Chris.
Today we have come down to the East Riding of Yorkshire, a beautiful little seaside, like a village more than anything.
That's right, yeah.
It's called Filey.
Lovely place.
Beautiful place. You can see behind us, the sea is roaring a bit. It is November, but it's not that cold.
It's not, is it?
No, it's lovely.
There's no wind,
Nope.
no rain.
Yeah.
Nice evening.
So we thought we'd come and try the Saucy Seagull out.
Saucy Seagull,
because I'm always on the internet looking at different sites and it kept popping up, adverts, Saucy Seagull, people recommended this little place. It's just a very small cafe and it's takeaway and it's sitting, obviously.
That's right, yeah.
And it's at Filey Railway Station, just off Station Road. So we've got some treats in here. We've got some cheesecake and other things as well anyway. Do you fancy that one then? Fancy looking what we've got? Box of goodies we've got in here.
Can't wait. Really looking forward to it.
And keep on watching if you fancy it, because we're gonna pink plate it all up.
Oh, we've got to relocate.
Right, straight in to the review. Saucy Seagull, Filey, Yorkshire. Today, we've both gone for a pasta box.
Pasta box, yep.
Nice takeaway. Comes in a good box here. We kept it in the box to keep it nice and warm.
That's it,
while we're down the beach. So Chris has gone for
It's barbecue chicken, pasta with an extra portion of cheese on top. It's got a lovely barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Looks delicious.
Lovely melted cheese, like you said. It looks very gooey.
Definitely.
As usual, it's a gluten-free option for myself because I've got celiac disease, so that's why. Not because I'm fussy, it's just where I have to eat, unfortunately. I say unfortunately, but look at this. There's nothing unfortunate about looking at that. It's amazing. So it's a gluten-free pasta, meatballs, basically like a lovely meatball there. Lots and lots of tomato-based sauce over that.
Right. Yeah.
And gooey melted cheese. And you'll see in front of us here, you might well be able to see these desserts. Pull that back a bit, Chris. Have a look. Let everyone see that.
Bring it into the picture a bit. Can you see it?
So, Chris has gone for, what's that one?
It's like a raspberry flake cheesecake, but it doesn't have the base. But there's an enormous amount of cheesecake in there. Vanilla cheesecake.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Homemade.
That's right. Is that a blackcurrant base, did you say?
1 second.
Yes.
It looks, if
got
it is, I'm over the moon.
It said raspberry, but I'm not sure whether it's a blackcurrant. I might be wrong. What is it, Chris? You find out in a minute. It's berries of some type. So, doing well here.
Correction. It's strawberry. Yeah.
Is it?
It's the same as that.
And it's also got plenty of chocolate flake on the top.
Loads. Whoa. Look at this.
I've got cheesecake.
Don't want to spoil it.
I know, don't eat any more of that. That's for desserts. You have to eat all your meal up first before you have your dessert, Chris. Or else you can't have any.
Copy that. Not a prob.
So I've got for, look at that. It's a cheesecake sundae. Again, it's got no base in it. It's gluten-free. Strawberry cheesecake sundae. Doesn't that look delicious? It's amazing. I hope it's amazing.
Looks like paradise.
Right, straight into this. Let's see how well it's all cooked, shall we?
Come on. This is what
I've
we're here
been
for.
looking forward to this. So this comes with, what we got in here? Oh, say, plenty of tomato base. We're looking at how many meatballs we have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meatballs.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's plenty of that, isn't it? Go on.
Well, this is absolutely flowing in chicken.
It is, isn't it?
Loads of barbecue sauce.
No. It looks very, very saucy for the Saucy Seagull, isn't it? Very saucy. Okay.
Just melts in your mouth. Excuse me.
You know, these meatballs do too. These are really good quality meat, this looks like.
Serious. I knew this was going to be good. You've really got my attention.
See, what I'm going to say, what you find out is that if you choose the gluten-free option, you actually get a pure product. So you go for your meatballs. Usually, you get the standard ones, you're getting filler. It's got a lot of rusk in that.
That's right. Yeah.
To fill them out. So it's not got the pure mince, you know, in this. But these are made, obviously, with like a steak mince, something like that. Cause I can taste the quality of that. So that's good. Cheese now. Is it good cheese? Try the pasta with that too. Creamy.
Pasta's not like rubber. Easy to eat. Not overcooked, soft and disintegrating as sometimes you get it.
Well, what you find, I've done it myself at home, the gluten-free pasta, if you leave it a bit too long, what happens to it? It dissolves. I've had it dissolving.
Just a mush. Excuse me.
It ended up like slop. Just went into a slop, yeah. So
Doesn't look appetising, does it?
It's mastering the art of cooking pasta. It sounds simple, doesn't it? I know, but not when you're dealing with this sort of stuff. It's not made of wheat, you see.
The gluten-frees are not the same to cook.
They're a funny one, aren't they?
No, you got to watch it. You got to watch it. Which is why when we order, obviously they had to give them a bit of time with that.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the main issue.
So, like we're saying, we're down on Filey Beach. If you've never been here, you must come here. This is where Chris and I actually had our honeymoon in 2022 because we just love this beach, don't we?
Oh, I love this place. It's so quiet. You know, no lovely dog walking. It's fantastic. When it's really hot, well, it's like being in on the Bahamas and something.
Beautiful.
You know, it's so nice. Clean beach, award winner.
Well, it was July. Exactly. It was July when we came here, wasn't it? So obviously.
Oh, that was a hot summer.
The sunsets. Do you think Blackpool sunsets are good? You want to see what these sunsets are.
Those cliffs behind us are amazing to look at in the evening. Yeah. A lot of good eateries around here too.
And if I remember, I'll insert a little picture actually of a sunset from summertime.
That's right,
Beautiful sunset. Put that in. Everyone likes the sunset, don't they? Back to the food anyway.
Do you like sunrises? I don't know.
I love either. Just beautiful, isn't it? So, Saucy Seagull, been going a couple of years now, and you get off the train, Filey Railway Station, and it's not their fault at the moment, it doesn't look much because they got scaffolding all round it because they're doing the roof up.
That's right.
So I've not been able to video the front, it's just literally blue scaffolding, isn't it? So I've got that. Now, the thing with these little places, you might actually realise they put a lot of effort into it. You might go to the run-of-the-mill pasta places.
Fooderies.
I've been to them.
Pasta, yeah.
Absolutely shocking. Hardly any sauce on it.
No effort.
No effort, and extortionate prices too.
Yeah.
Whereas this is reasonable. And don't forget, they have got rent to pay. They are independent.
Well, it's in a very unique spot as well. It's on a railway station.
Yeah.
So people get off the train, probably grab a cup of tea, bacon sandwich in the mornings, etc. But during the day, obviously people come there for some lunch.
Now, don't forget, they don't know us and we don't know them.
No.
It's not paid in any way at all.
No.
We only search out the best we can bring you. Because we don't want to send you to a one-star, food review place. I know sometimes it's down to the bookkeeping, but also, unfortunately, with that, you do find that hygiene is not to the best. Whereas this establishment, Saucy Seagull,
That's right.
has Food Standards Agency a 5.
5.
5.
There you go.
And that's the highest you can get.
Not too big, nice and cosy.
Mm.
Nice little cafe. Yeah.
Lovely.
Well, yes, I'm
I'll do now,
very
Chris.
pleasantly.
I need to try a meatball.
Oh, go on.
Well, kind of pass it to you, but I don't want to put it on in your food. I'll put it on the side there.
Yeah, yeah.
Not touching anything. There we go.
That's it.
You try that,
Let's have a go.
and you can just say, because you eat both, don't you?
I love this.
You can tell everybody what you think, honestly.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, say the truth.
Oh my, the smell is amazing. Oh, the flavourings in that. Anyway,
Yeah.
oh, got a tinge of spicy, tingly, isn't it? That.
I love that.
Aye.
I love
yeah.
everything about this.
That is nice. That is nice. Wow.
You know something? I'm eating away at this, and it looks like it's not even going anywhere. It's so full, the box, isn't it? It's so full that. Wow. Right. What we're gonna
That's a
do?
good portion.
Yeah. What we're gonna do now? I want to show you the next course.
Absolutely.
We don't want the videos going too long. I'm sure you don't want to hear us
Is it,
rambling on too much. So what we'll do? Keep that warm. Keep that there like that.
What's the word?
Out the way. Here,
Oh,
here.
that's a rescue and a half.
Transportation levels. Look at that. That would have been all over me, wouldn't
It would, wouldn't it?
Wow. That's good. Yes. Okay. We're going to go for this. Before we start,
Yeah.
though,
Let's
cleanse the
clear
palate.
the palate. So as we can...
Cheers to you all.
Cheers to all.
Thank you for joining us again.
Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers,
I
guys.
hope you're enjoying the beach, by the way.
Aye. Good beach, good food, good company.
Couldn't ask for more, really, could we? Yeah, thanks for tuning in and watching us on the beach. You know, it's getting that time of year now, isn't it, where it's going a bit darker early now, isn't
Early
it?
hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Clocks have
Really ticking.
fallen back, so
Yeah. Right, go on. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go in together
Yeah,
and
dig
tell us what you
deep.
think. Got to dig deep in here because it's this. Let's have a go.
make it a mess. I don't want this going all down my front.
Right, so I'll just start. This has got fresh strawberries.
Yeah.
It's like well, we call it a jam or not. Well, a sundae, isn't it? A sundae with fresh strawberries.
There's real strawberries there. Yeah.
Wow. And a mound, an absolute mound of cream cheese.
I'm loving this. It's very rich
Taste
as
it.
well.
Do you know what's rich about it? It's good. Very airy is the word I use. It's airy. It's not too stodgy. It's like, it's very light, isn't it?
It's a good portion, and I mean,
These desserts
cut that in half. for
they
two.
are really for 2 people, I'm thinking, aren't they?
You know, I'm not complaining. I'll take this all day.
Oh, we will. Breakfast, dinner and tea, I'm thinking. If you lived here, you would be, wouldn't you, Chris?
No problem. Just give me a full one like that. Large plate. What's for breakfast, Chris? Cheesecake.
Cheesecake, cheesecake and cheesecake, so. Oh,
Yeah.
light, airy, fluffy, sweet,
Homemade.
homemade. And
She
coming
makes it
on to
all
that,
herself.
yeah, coming on to that, like Chris just said,
Yeah. But
this cafe make all their own desserts. Everything, like you said, it's homemade, it's a bit rustic. They're not perfect because they're absolutely, they made with love. They actually made
that's
with
what
love.
it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know? It's all presented well.
I think if I lived here, which I wish I did because you're so beautiful, I think I might be going there.
On a daily basis.
I think I'd be tempted.
Well, yeah.
You know what? That old saying I say, there are no words for that. No words. Do you know what?
Zip.
Bit of a video for you now to see. It's showing you just the front of Filey, basically. The promenade, and it's, you know, it's so quiet. It's a tranquil place.
Very. Yeah.
And we're just showing you a bit of that.
Just relax, chill out, have a beer.
Yep.
Tea, coffee, food like this. Lovely.
If you can ever get away, we recommend to come here. It's our place.
You know,
it is our place.
So relaxing. So you listen to that sea all day.
Yeah.
You know, and it does you good. The sea air. Very good.
My mother and father came here before they sadly passed away, and it was always the favourite. They loved it here, and Scarborough too. So it's something I always come back to because I always feel like I'm close to my parents when I'm here.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Your mum and dad went to Scarborough, next town down. That's where they got a honeymoon.
Yeah, honeymoon there. So it's a lot of
go.
attachments to our parents, isn't it? Anyway, we've been going on too much, and I want you to all relax and listen, look at the video, and we'll be back in a very, very short space of time to give you our pink report.
Pink report.
All right, it's time for the pink report. Chris, go on.
Pink
Give us
report.
your pink report today.
Absolute no-brainer, this one. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Pasta was soft, not too soft. The chicken,
That's true.
delicious. Barbecue sauce, love barbecue sauce. Nice, good portion. Can't fault it. The the cheesecake, which didn't have the base, but I'm easy with that. I wanted that. The strawberry jam, really sweet. The cheesecake was delicious. Kaz, report.
Wow. 2 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up.
It is indeed. So, there's lots and lots of choices. The main thing from Jackie potatoes, cold, hot pasta boxes.
That's right.
With numerous fillings in them.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs, yeah.
Oh,
On baguettes, paninis, breakfasts, and then all your Yorkshire teas and your hot
Jackie
chocolates.
potatoes.
You know how it is. It's a fast menu.
it's a good menu
Small place and
for a
fast
small
menu.
place.
That's right.
Fair play to them.
Yeah. So really, all in all, for me, it's like the ultimate place, isn't it? Everything's there. You can have something different for the next month, really.
Yeah.
The choices just go on and on and on, don't they? I mean, you come down here, you want fish and chips, so do we. But sometimes you want to change. A little change, don't you?
Definitely.
And that was nice. That's what we needed today. Something nice.
No, that was nice, all right.
Rich,
Enjoyed it.
nice,
Cool.
tasty, flavoursome, deliciousness.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
all together, deliciousness on 2 plates,
Through and through.
2 amazing desserts, which were absolutely
amazing
outstanding throughout. Couldn't fault the place. So now, you know, only one thing left to do. It's go straight on to the...
Pink score. Kaz, Pink score, please.
Pink score for today is a 10. If I could give it 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I would. This is the highest score we can give any establishment. So it's an amazing pink sapphire 10 from me.
No way.
Oh, yes, it is. Absolutely beautiful. Well deserved.
How can I beat that? Here it comes. I'm giving it a good straight 10. Well deserved, delicious food. Like Kaz says, if I could, I'd give more. Scorecard only goes up to 10. So, well done. 10.
So there you go. Another food review. Done and dusted, shall we say.
Yes.
And what a pleasant one that was.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
So pleasant.
We'll be going back. Definitely.
We've got a couple more places to visit while we are here in Yorkshire. So keep tuning in.
Yes.
And don't forget, if you like the videos, give us a like, subscribe, and tick the bell.
That's right.
For notifications.
Comment.
And then, when the videos come through, you get that little notification, and you're straight in there. And it helps us out with the old YouTube algorithm.
That lovely little word.
Yeah, but it's not so little, is it? Not so little. Oh, thanks very much. We will see you all again. Please don't ever forget to keep your spackle.
And take good care.
Yes, please, take care.
Ta-ra.